I'm tired. I'm tired. Welcome back to another motherfucking video. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Erin, the biggest E, and you should have known that because you should have been subscribed. Why aren't you subscribed? That's already like red flags on the plate. But yeah, so go ahead and subscribe because we already just had that talk, so I don't understand why you haven't subscribed yet. Hop into the video.
All night, say it. All night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we
Alright, y'all, so on today's video, I'm actually doing 2 videos today. Because I haven't put out no video since my birthday, and that's like, I'm gonna be reinstalling this dusty crusty wig. I should have never let y'all get close to my lace. But it's dusty and crusty, and I'm gonna bleach the knots because I didn't bleach the knots on this wig, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm letting y'all see my lace because I'm being real. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I just snatch my wig off and sometimes I just take it off. When I'm done with the wig, I'm gonna snatch the wig off and I'll give something back. But if I'm gonna reinstall the wig, I'm gonna make sure I take the alcohol, take it off, because yeah, I don't know for everybody be telling y'all about like it be messing up y'all edges, but if y'all stylist or if you know what you're doing, when you snatch off your wig, either way your edges should not be on because you shouldn't even have nothing on your edges. Do you feel me? I'm tired. I'm gonna take the alcohol, rub it on like the end piece, or if your end tab already came up like my tab, then it shouldn't matter, but you could just go underneath. But just take that wig, start doing it with your light depending on it. Make sure you separate the ball cap and the wig. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my forehead, then I'm gonna be back with y'all. Across your heart. Go to makeup brush, brushing it forward. So I'm gonna be back when I'm done, and I'm gonna show y'all what y'all do if y'all have excess glue still on.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like
Why do I always look a rough on every video? Like, it's so this is as much as I could get off. So I'm gonna be showing you how to get the rest off. All you really gotta do is just wash the hair. That's the trick. That's all. That was it. So I'm not gonna wash this hair on camera. When you wash the hair, just make sure you scrub it like you used to scrub your real hair and all that shit. So you know, this is how the wig looks. I wear ponytails a lot. I'm gonna stop doing that though. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I come back and how the lace look and all that. So I'll be back. So I'm back and I washed the wig. And to y'all, the knots might seem bleached, but the knots are not bleached. Well, the reason I'm gonna say that is because you see it? The knots not bleached. I'm back, bitch. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I fixed all the knots. So now I'm just gonna wait and then wash it out. Back after toning the knots and all of that, this is how they look. Like it should just look like scalp. You know what I'm saying? Like scalp. You know what I'm saying? You should be able to put it on your head and feel like, oh, okay, this should be scalp. I'm gonna re-clean my forehead with some alcohol just to make sure like I'll let it just cool. Hey bitches, so right now I'm just going in and brushing back any etc hair. Is that how you say it? Etc. Any extra hair, and then blow drying it so I know that it stays, and I oil my scalp because you don't oil your scalp is crusty. Your scalp is crusty. So the way I use my wig care method is I use a stocking cap because I feel like it makes it more seamless. So I'm just going in there, tying the knot. Why do I look like that? And I use glue when I do it, so I'm using my Boho Active because honestly, I don't feel like Boho Active holds real good, so I use it on my wig cap. No, let me start using extra so yeah, and then I also tired of running the back like I just did, so I could just be more secure. But honestly, you don't have to do this. If I can tap, it holds fast. Like, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Anywho, so then you go with your foundation. I use Cream Kisses. Really Kisses Cream Foundation. Because, girl, whoever invented this, they need to pay because why is it so good? You see how bald my hair is? Like, I look bald-headed for real, like in real life. But yeah, now I'm just putting on my forehead because you don't want your forehead to be anything on it. So yeah, dusty wigs. No, I'm just playing. But I'm just combing out the hair back. And I'm using my dual kisses and lace glue because I feel like it's stronger, and it's also my
personality. Everything you do, it's me love. Everything about you.
So basically I did 4 layers, I think, or I did 3. So yeah, I don't have to do that.
I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is
Mini dance break. It was real mini, but you
give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can like you do. That's why I'm not spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else loves me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. And this is 28-inch water wave hair from Amazon. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of the E-Gang. Hey,
I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real.